Hey, I am Suraj Kumar Nayak. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you all are in good condition. So let's start our today's debate. Now we discussion about drone technology and what's linked with artificial intelligence. Certainly, drone technology, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, (UAVs), or unmanned aircraft systems, (UAS), has seen significant advancements and widespread adoption in various industries. Drones are aircraft that operate without a human pilot on board and are either remotely controlled by a human operator or autonomously guided by pre-programmed instructions or artificial intelligence. Here's a more detailed overview of drone technology. Types of drones. Consumer drones. These drones are designed for recreational purposes and are often equipped with cameras for photography and videography. They are commonly used for aerial photography, capturing breathtaking landscapes, and recording videos. Commercial drones. These UAVs are used in various industries, such as agriculture, construction, surveying, inspection, and logistics. They are equipped with specialized sensors and payloads to perform specific tasks like crop monitoring, infrastructure inspection, and package delivery. Military drones. These drones are used by armed forces for surveillance, reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and combat operations. Military drones come in various sizes, from small tactical UAVs to larger, long-endurance drones with advanced capabilities, components and technology. Propulsion system. Drones are usually powered by electric motors or internal combustion engines, which drive propellers to generate lift and thrust. Navigation and control. Drones use GPS global positioning system for navigation and accurate positioning. Onboard sensors like accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetometers help stabilize the drone and maintain its orientation. Communication. Remote control and telemetry are achieved through radio frequency of communication, enabling operators to send commands and receive data from the drone in real time. Applications. Aerial photography and videography. Drones have revolutionized the field of photography and filmmaking by offering unique aerial perspectives and shots. Agriculture. Drones equipped with multispectral and infrared cameras can monitor crop health, detect pests and diseases, and optimize irrigation and fertilization processes. Infrastructure inspection. Drones are used to inspect bridges, power lines, pipelines, and other structures, reducing the need for human inspectors to work in dangerous or hard-to-reach areas. Search and rescue. Drones equipped with thermal cameras and other sensors aid in search and rescue missions, helping locate missing persons or survivors in disaster-stricken areas. Environmental monitoring. Drones can be used to monitor wildlife, track deforestation, and assess environmental changes in remote locations. Package delivery. Companies are exploring the use of drones for last-mile delivery, particularly in areas with challenging terrain or limited infrastructure. Regulations and challenges. The growing use of drones has led to the introduction of regulations to ensure safety and privacy. Rules cover flight restrictions, registration requirements, and licensing for commercial operators. Drone technology still faces challenges such as limited battery life, range, and payload capacity. Ongoing research aims to improve these aspects to expand drone capabilities. It is likely to open up new opportunities and applications across various industries, transforming the way we approach tasks, data collection, and exploration. Now we discussion about AI link with drone technology. Artificial intelligence (AI) has a strong link with drone technology, enhancing their capabilities and enabling more sophisticated applications. The integration of AI with drones allows them to operate autonomously, make intelligent decisions, and perform complex tasks beyond traditional manual control. Here are some ways AI is linked with drone technology. Autonomous navigation. AI algorithms, particularly those based on machine learning and computer vision, enable drones to navigate autonomously. They can detect obstacles, plan safe flight paths, and avoid collisions without constant human intervention. Object detection and tracking. AI-powered computer vision algorithms enable drones to recognize and track objects on the ground. This capability is useful for surveillance, search and rescue operations, wildlife monitoring, and tracking moving targets. Precision agriculture. AI-driven drones equipped with sensors and cameras can analyze data about crops, soil, and weather conditions. They can identify areas that need attention, optimize irrigation, and apply fertilizers more efficiently, resulting in improved crop yields and reduced environmental impact. Inspection and maintenance. Drones with AI-enabled computer vision can inspect infrastructure, such as bridges, buildings, and power lines, for signs of damage or wear. AI algorithms can detect defects and structural issues, providing valuable information for maintenance planning and reducing the need for manual inspections. Swarm technology. AI is used to coordinate and control drone swarms, allowing multiple drones to collaborate and perform tasks collectively. This approach has applications in search and rescue operations, environmental monitoring, and disaster response. Real-time data analysis. AI algorithms on board drones can process data in real time, providing instant insights and actionable information. This is valuable in scenarios like emergency response, where quick decisions based on data are critical. Air traffic management. As the number of drones in the airspace increases, AI is essential for managing drone traffic and ensuring safe and efficient operations. AI-based systems can help coordinate drone flights and avoid potential conflicts. Natural language interaction. Some drones are equipped with natural language processing capabilities, allowing operators to communicate with the drone using spoken commands. This simplifies the user experience and enables more intuitive control. Adaptive flight control. AI can be used in flight control systems to adjust drone behavior based on environmental conditions and unexpected events. This ensures stable flight and improved safety. So for today's that's enough. Thanks to all. If you have any doubt then comment in the box. Jai Hindustan. See you in a next video.